Yeah.
Hello and
Put this
welcome.
egg,
Today we are
put
going
this egg
to try
inside.
Merium
No.
Pervaiz Brownies
Put.
recipe. So we are get started.
Thank you, baby. Now turn it on. One moment. Yes. Yes, Anya is so excited. We are making brownies. Yes. Yes. Yummy? Yum yum. So now we are going to fluff it. Now it is fluffed and we are going to add sugar. Hanu, put this sugar inside. Put it inside. Very good. Very good. Good job. Oh, okay. Put it inside. Hanu, Hanu, put this like this. Not by your fingers, like this. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for making a mess. Now turning it on. Honey is such a mess. Baby. Yes. Thank you. Moment. Going to beat this for a minute or two to dissolve the sugar in the eggs. And Hania is ready to eat. It is yummy. Yes. Oh. Moment, please, moment. So guys, Hania is helping me a lot and putting everything into this batter like knives and spoons and her hands. So I think it's beaten and now we are going to add this cocoa powder. It's a quarter cup of cocoa powder into it. Yes. Moment. Taste is not good, okay. She said, Mama, throw it away. Okay, one moment. So now we are going to add 200 grams of butter. One moment, please. Okay, one moment. Anu, throw it inside. Throw it. Uh-oh, thank you. Oopsie. We are putting this inside by chunks. Honey, put this inside. No? Okay, I'm doing it. Wow. One moment. Hania, no beta. And the final one, okay? So while it is mixing, I have put a pan, a large pot or a dechki on a stove and turning the flame on medium to low and place it a thing like this. So now we are going to mix 1 cup of, she's trying it. No? Okay. She is trying it on every step, okay? 1 cup of flour and going to mix it until it disappears, okay? So I have taken this chocolate and cut 100 grams into these little pieces and going to put inside, and Hazina is enjoying her pieces of chocolate. And once again turn it on and mix it really well, and then I am going to put, yes beta, Yes. Now I'm going to put this batter in this homemade foil pan. I have put the batter into this tin type thing and spread it evenly, and going to put this inside and double tap for air bubbles. So after 25 to 30 minutes it's look like this, and I'm poking this inside, and this is chocolate, and I think it's cooked. Look, it's clean. Turning off the flame and going to dish out it.
If you use foil and make a square pan out of it, and by the time you are going to cut the brownies, you can very easily remove these from the brownies.
So I'm going to cut into slices. Smelling so good. It's melted chocolate.
Guys, it was super yummy and super soft. You must try this
So
recipe
yummy.
of Merium Pervaiz. I loved it very much.
So plain, so